Good morning. Today we are going to be taking a look at a sample Canvas page that has quite a few mistakes found on it, and I wanted to just go through some of these mistakes as they're somewhat hard to identify. I wanted to throw a friendly reminder that if you like my content and you're enjoying this video, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your colleagues. It really helps me out. Thank you very much. Back to the video. The first thing that I'm going to do is select the edit button. And from here, this takes me to the first area in our page. If I wanted to quickly run a scan on this page, I could go down to the accessibility checker and it's found simply one item that appears to be inaccessible. But if we take a closer look and I move my cursor to this area called Exam 2 Lectures, we notice that it is not recognized as a heading structure. It simply has large font, it's bold, and it's blue. Additionally, we have a couple of instances that are used with color and meaning alone, where we have an emphasis on a note. If I were to fix this content, I would maybe add a heading structure here and remove the actual asterisk. So let's go back up and fix this. I'm going to make this a heading level 2. And then let's make our note a heading level 3. And we have some text called links to modules. This is kind of vague. I would just say modules. And we can make this a heading level 2. And it doesn't appear to be maintaining the same content that we put in. So when I have this heading level 2 up here and I marked modules a heading level 2, it doesn't visually look the same. But that's okay. It's still a heading level 2. And then we have these links. I want to put these in a list just because it feels a little better. And then we also have the word new here again. We're going to select this text and apply a heading level 2. And then we have two other links that actually look accessible, but we need to make them a list item too. So I'm going to make this a bulleted list, and that's how I would fix the content on this page. We can also change the color of that. And I want to say we should add a little more description here, but for sake of just making this page accessible, those are all the items that I would